What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for our Alibaba Group holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So last time I looked at BABA was probably on, well, actually it was on April 5th. And let's see what happened since then. You can see that price was looking like it wanted to move up to the top side of the yellow range. It was inside this yellow range for quite a while now, the price action. So basically you see that the bears made a measure move down. This is one leg down right here. This was the second leg down. Measure move was met, which means that we could see a possible large leg up. And then the bulls tried a few attempts to do that. You can see that this was the first attempt that failed. This was the second attempt, and it failed right at this trend line. So you can see that we were making lower highs, and the bulls failed to reach this target, which shows a bearish imbalance. And that's what this trend line also represents, a bearish imbalance. Bulls are not able to get up to the price level that it previously was at. So that's why price broke down outside of this yellow range, and it looks like we could be seeing more downside in the future. So if we double the size of the range, so let's take a look at that right now. So if we make a measure move of the range, that's one leg right there. And sometimes we can make a similar size of the range that was previously in. That would take price to right about there. And where is that target? At the $63 level, $63.32. So as right now, this is not looking bullish. Price is, making lower highs. It's breaking outside on the bottom of the yellow range. And it still looks like price wants to continue to trend down lower. So in the meantime, I'll be looking for more downside. We could see a short-term bounce out of here, maybe to back test that $70 level because it was support, maybe something like that before continuing lower. It could come back in just a little bit and then fail as well. So something like that could occur. I expect more downside. Unless price makes a large move up and then we find support, then that could change things, something like that. But until then, this is looking like price wants to continue lower. Either we back test that breakout and then continue lower, or we just continue lower right now. So that's how I'm looking at BABA. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that this week's candle is pretty bearish. It's a large red candle. We have several red candles in a row, except for a little green one. So again, price is still below the EMA. It's still looking pretty weak. Buyers are not stepping in to drive up the price. Still below this trend line right over here, this long-term one. And it looks like it's just coming back down to the all-time lows at the $60 level in the high 50s. So again, that's all I see for BABA. Don't see any bullish signs as of right now. Maybe when it bottoms out at the all-time lows, we could see a trend reversal. But again, I want to see a break of this downward trend line first. So if we go a little bit lower, maybe see a break, that could change the trend for BABA. Until then, this is looking like price can still continue to trend down lower. So that's all I see for BABA on the daily, weekly charts, and most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.